Hello everyone, welcome to an exploration of 15 online business ideas that revolve around providing services. The best part, these ideas don't need you to spend any money up front, and you can use yours daily data. That means they're open for everyone to try by offering services that either help clients make more money or save their time. You can start making a steady income. You have options. You can work through websites that connect freelancers with people who need services, or you can even start your own little company. I've done something similar myself, offering not just one, but 4 different services this way. And guess what? You don't have to worry about spending money to start. You can use things you already have. Let's start. This is Unknownbot School. Number 1, graphic designing. Graphic designing. If you're into creating cool graphics, or you have an idea to create it, this is for you. Being a graphic designer means making stuff like posters, thumbnails, and work small business to create their logos. It's all about making things look awesome. People and businesses need these designs, and you can help them out. The best part, you don't need money to start. There are tons of free versions to use it. Just use your computer or mobile phone and creative ideas, and you're all set. You can make it basic designing and can earn money. And next one is number 2, video editing. Video editing. Let's dive into the world of video editing, our second exciting venture. Whether it's corporate videos, YouTube content, shorts, reels, or social media clips, the demand for captivating video content is skyrocketing. While your current skill level might not be that great, what truly matters is your ability to craft engaging videos. In today's landscape, creating content that grabs attention is gold. But that's where your expertise as a video editor and how you're editing the video comes into play. Even if you're just starting out with basic editing skills, fear not. Learning and growing is part of the journey. You can start small and gradually advance your skills to meet the rising demand for high-quality, engaging content. So, if you're ready to turn your video editing passion into a thriving online business, grab your editing software and get ready to make videos that captivate and connect. And next one is number 3, writing. Let's talk about writing, our third awesome idea. Writing is all about words. You can create scripts for videos, make short and cool content, and even write about products, brands, and people. There are different types of writing, you can write for websites, ghostwriting, technical writing, and making words that sell, called copywriting. Here's the cool part. If you're really good at writing and your words bring in more clients or viewers, you can make more money. You know those catchy lines you see on posters? Yep, you can get paid for making those. Writing is like a secret tool for businesses. If you're a skilled copywriter, you can easily earn around $15,000 for your work. Oh, and here's a tip. You can also use AI to help you come up with more ideas. And next one is creating websites. Let's dive into the world of website creation, our fourth exciting idea. Creating basic websites is like building a digital home for individuals and small businesses. Many offline businesses don't have proper websites, and that's where you come in. With more businesses looking to go online, there's a big demand for simple websites. You can identify these opportunities, create basic websites, and earn money. Think of it as helping businesses take their first steps into the online world. It's a win-win. They get an online presence, and you get a way to make money. So if you're ready to turn your tech skills into a business, website creation is a fantastic option. Next one is influencer marketing agency. Let's talk about starting your very own influencer marketing agency, our fifth exciting idea. You can do this on your own, and I'll explain it more in a detailed video tomorrow, so don't worry about it. But here's a sneak peek. Imagine a brand wants to team up with influencers to make videos or ads for their products. You can make it easy. You'd be the link between the brand and the influencers, making sure everything runs smoothly. And guess what? You earn a commission for your work. It's like connecting the dots and making cool collaborations happen. So if you're ready to step into the world of influencer marketing, get ready to be the bridge that brings awesome brands and cool influencers together. Before going to next one, please subscribe my channel and follow on Instagram and LinkedIn. Next one is social media manager. Let's explore the role of a social media manager. Our sixth exciting idea. Imagine being the online voice for someone, just like how celebrities have people managing their Twitter accounts like admin. As a social media manager, your main job is to handle all things social media for others. You'll create and schedule posts, engage with followers, and make sure the right content goes out at the right times. It's like taking care of their social media world, even if they're not doing it themselves. Businesses outsource this role to save time and make sure their social media game is strong. While you might not directly bring in money, you're saving them a ton of time and effort. So if you're up for managing social media like a pro, get ready to dive into the world of being a social media manager. And next one is selling your own products online. Let's talk about selling your own products online, our seventh intriguing idea. This is not helpful each and everyone. If you're already selling something offline, why not take it to the online world? The best part is, there's not much extra work involved. Just open an Amazon seller account, list your product, and within a few days you're likely to see no competition. As for turning those no sellers into sellers, you can learn how to do that later. The cool thing is, you're not creating a new product. You already have it. You're just shifting the mode of selling. Plus, the best part is you're not investing any extra money. So if you're ready to take your products to the online market, get ready to make the transition without much hassle. Next one is start online coaching or consulting services. Let's explore the idea of starting your own online coaching or consulting business, our eighth exciting concept. If you're skilled at something, you can share your knowledge and expertise online through courses or consulting, creating a business model that benefits both you and others. For instance, if you have insights into business ideas, investments, or data analysis, you can turn that into a valuable source of income. Even this very script was created by ChatGPT, showcasing how you can make money on your own or help others thrive in the content business. Whether you're a doctor, lawyer, a tech engineer, or designer, if you possess a particular skill, you can utilize it to aid others in growing their expertise or teach them the skill itself. So if you're ready to transform your skills into a lucrative online coaching or consulting venture, next one is creating content and growing audience through affiliate marketing. Let's explore the idea of creating content and building an audience through affiliate marketing, our 10th exciting concept. In this approach, we're not crafting new products or creating content from scratch. Instead, we're tapping into existing content on social media and presenting it in a unique way to start a business. For instance, consider the power of Reels. It's a fantastic avenue for affiliate marketing. It's simple yet effective. Think about it. When you see a celebrity wearing something cool like a stylish watch or a fashionable dress, you search online to find it. Now imagine you curate these pictures, add the prices, and create Reels. It's about finding those moments when celebrities wear something eye-catching and turning it into an opportunity. And it's not just about content and views. These kinds of celebrity-focused videos have high demand. The trick is to keep the link in your bio. Even if just one person out of 50 goes to the link, and out of every 500 people, one makes a purchase, that's the game. You're not concerned about content creation. Celebs are always landing at airports, attending events, or doing something notable. Photographers capture these moments and share them on social media. This is just one example. You can blend this format with creativity and make money through affiliate marketing. The format is simple: traffic, interest, and product. So if you're ready to capitalize on the power of affiliate marketing through content creation, get ready to build your audience while making money along the way. Next on is running ads for small businesses. Let's talk about running ads for small businesses, our 11th intriguing idea. Whether the business operates offline or online, you can make money by running ads for them. So imagine a scenario. You have a water bottle company that's struggling to make sales online, both on platforms like Amazon and their own website. What can you do? You can offer a solution. Let the water bottle company owner know that you can help boost their sales by running ads to generate more traffic. Whether it's their website or their Amazon seller account, you can run paid ads to bring in potential customers. And here's the interesting part. You earn a commission from these paid ads. For instance, if the ad budget is $100,000, you can take a percentage like 10%, 5%, or 3% as your commission. It's a win-win. The business gets more customers and you get to make money by leveraging your ad running skills. So if you're ready to use your advertising prowess to help small businesses thrive while earning a commission, get set to step into the world of running ads for business success. And next on is SEO Consultancy. Let's delve into the world of SEO Consultancy, our 12th exciting idea. Every website owner dreams of their site ranking at the top in their field, offering their services. That's where you come in. You can provide SEO optimization services. The best part, you don't need to spend a single rupee. All you need is the know-how of how SEO works, the algorithms, the techniques, and the tactics. And don't forget the most crucial part, understanding your customers' needs. By helping businesses improve their online visibility, you're not just assisting them in getting to the top ranks, you're also aiding their growth. So if you're ready to use your CEO skills to guide businesses towards digital success, get set to step into the world of SEO consultancy without spending a dime. And next one is online recruiting services. Let's explore the world of online recruiting services, our 13th exciting idea. It's like being an HR consultant in the digital realm. Here's how it works. Companies needing manpower connect with your online recruiting service. When they require new hires, you provide them with the right candidates. On the flip side, job seekers share their profiles with you, and you help match them to suitable positions. It's a win-win. Companies get the workforce they need, and job seekers find opportunities that fit. And guess what? You can charge fees to both sides for your matchmaking expertise. This business model has been around for ages, and it thrives because it meets a critical need. Now here's the secret sauce: specialization. Focus on specific industries like healthcare, construction, or education. Be the go-to person for matching talent to these sectors. It's all about building trust by being industry expert. You can start small with just one person at you. So if you're ready to play matchmaker in the online job market and create meaningful connections, get ready to dive into the world of online recruiting services. Next one is cold calling services. Let's dive into the world of cold calling services, our 14th exciting idea. In my previous mention of 13 ideas, I highlighted how countless opportunities exist to make money by selling products or businesses. However, not everyone is skilled at selling, and many businesses struggle to close deals. That's where you can step in. You're selling not just products but knowledge and skills. You're offering to enhance and develop their sales efforts. If a company is finding it hard to sell its products, you're ready to take on the task. You can sell 10 to 20 products on their behalf and take a percentage, say 5 to 10, from the profits. Businesses are often open to this arrangement. Selling skills can be honed through reading books, refining your speaking abilities, and watching selling content on platforms like YouTube. Selling is an art. Once you master it, it stays with you for life. And speaking of books, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is a great place to start. Now let's talk about cold calling. It's a different ball game. You could start by offering free services initially and then transition to making it chargeable. Cold calling involves reaching out to potential clients who might not be expecting your call. While it can be challenging, it's a powerful tool for expanding a client base. So if you're ready to use your sales skills to help businesses grow and learn the art of cold calling, get set to dive into the world of cold calling services. Last one is building a personal brand and turning it into business. Creating a personal brand and transforming it into a business is one of the most powerful ideas of this century. The key here is to showcase how your content benefits society. That's paramount. Your personal brand can take shape through LinkedIn posts, Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, Facebook shares, and Twitter updates. The process is twofold. Build your personal brand and provide value. This approach lets you understand people's problems. Let's dive into why I'm posting this video. I'm sharing 15 business ideas with the public to gauge their reactions, understand how helpful it is, analyze their comments, and uncover the problems and potential solutions. By gathering insights, I can identify the most pressing problem and assess how people are tackling it. For entrepreneurs, this forms the foundation. Problem solving with smart solutions, using my personal branding to offer business solutions, is a game changer. As people watch your content, they get to know you and your services, naturally leading to growth. There's an ocean of personal brands online, but the real challenge lies in learning the skills and earning the client's trust. To win clients, offer a taste of your service up front. If it solves their problem, they'll keep coming back. For instance, I am a YouTuber, thumbnail designer, and website developer. I also provide SEO and advertising services to clients. If anyone needs these services, they can simply reach out to me. Landing that first client is a pivotal moment. From there, businesses come more easily. So if you're ready to build a personal brand, offer value, solve problems, and turn your skills into a thriving business, get set to embark on a journey of growth and success. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through this video. I hope you found the insights thought-provoking. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more captivating videos. Together, let's shape a brighter future. Stay informed, engaged, and be a catalyst for change. Your support motivates us to continue delivering informative and inspiring content. Thank you for being a part of our community. Stay curious and keep expanding your knowledge. See you in the next video.